Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to show and hide caller ID on the iPhone 15. Let's get started. So for this we will need to open settings and here search for the phone tab. So here it is, just tap it, and now if you scroll a bit you'll see this option show my caller ID. So in my case it is enabled now, so everyone will be able to see my phone number, but you can easily turn it off if you just tap on the switcher, and now on the other person's phone it will be shown information no caller ID. Let me just make a call to myself and show you how it will look. So I'm just gonna call myself. And here is how it will look, just no caller ID without your phone number. But if you keep it enabled, then the other person would be able to see your phone number. And here is how it looks. So that's it for today. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.